Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is collaborative. Let's discover what this valuable workplace word means. Collaborative means working effectively with others to achieve a common goal. Collaborative people communicate well, share ideas, and support their teammates to achieve success together. Here's an example. Our collaborative approach helped the team complete the project ahead of schedule. This means everyone worked together, shared responsibilities, and completed the project successfully. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word collaborative? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon.